Summer is the perfect time to enjoy the beauty of your pond, but it also brings new challenges. High temperatures, excess nutrients, and evaporation can all disrupt your pond's natural balance. Fortunately, Aquascape has everything you need to keep your pond clean, clear, and thriving through the hottest months of the year. Start smart this summer with the Aquascape Smart Pond Thermometer. Knowing your pond's temperature isn't just helpful, it's essential. It connects directly to your phone through the Aquascape Smart Control app, giving you real-time alerts when the temperature rises or falls. That means you'll know exactly when to feed your fish, when to apply treatments, and when to turn on your aerators this summer. When temperatures climb, oxygen levels fall. The Aquascape Pond Aerator helps your pond breathe, day or night. An aerator boosts oxygen levels by increasing surface agitation and gas exchange, ensuring fish, plants, and beneficial bacteria thrive. A pond aerator can help your fish in more ways than one. Aerators can be an effective form of predator control. They agitate the surface of the pond, creating ripples and bubbles that make it difficult for predators to see fish clearly from above. If birds like herons, egrets, and kingfishers can't see your fish, they can't catch them. Next up, automation made simple. The Smart Pond Dosing System XT delivers precise treatments customized to your pond's unique needs. Choose from 4 different water treatments for ponds and 2 for waterfalls, all specifically formulated for the most common water quality issues. Set schedules, adjust dosages, and get refill alerts, all from your phone. It works around the clock to keep your pond clear, clean, and in perfect biological balance. Prefer to apply treatments manually? Aquascape Beneficial Bacteria is your natural solution. It breaks down sludge, reduces ammonia, and consumes excess nutrients, creating a healthier, more stable environment for fish and plants. It's safe, it's simple, and it's incredibly effective. Whether you're topping off your pond due to evaporation or performing a full water change, Pond Detoxifier is an essential product for the summer season. Pond Detoxifier quickly removes chlorine, neutralizes harmful ammonia, and detoxifies heavy metals that are often found in tap or well water, helping keep your pond's ecosystem safe and healthy. By conditioning your source water, you're protecting your fish, aquatic plants, and beneficial bacteria, keeping your water garden healthy and thriving all summer long. This summer, trust Aquascape to keep your pond in perfect harmony. You've got everything you need for a beautiful, balanced pond and a backyard paradise you'll love all season long. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We've been creating and field testing water features since 1991 to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.